How to post your template on CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the CapCut application and make sure you're logged into your account. So here, what you can simply do is you can tap on new project or you can select any of the project that you have already done. I'm going to tap on it on the new project option and then select a project very randomly. So as I selected the project, let's add it to the template over here, and here you can just make necessary edits by tapping on any of these options at the bottom of the screen. Now as you're done with editing, tap on the export option. So as you can see, the template has been exported over here. Now here you can see the option of share to TikTok or different other social media sites. In order to be able to post as template on CapCut, you'll need to be a pro editor or regular editor. If you're a pro editor or the creator, you'll be able to post the template in CapCut, and if you're not, you won't get the option to post as template. Instead, you can share in the different social media platforms such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and many more. So you're able to share as template, so you're going to get the option of sharing as template in this page if you're an editor. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.